This is my 1974 YZ125. And yes, they were silver in the old days. Tank was aluminum. Check it out, no silencer. Can you imagine riding no silencer? And 39 other guys in your class. Suspension wasn't so good either. Dual shocks on the back. Very little travel. Very spindly forks on the front. For its day, it was pretty good. Air-cooled engine. Very little horsepower. Probably about as much as a KTM 65 nowadays. And less travel. The tank was, I think, pretty cool. A lot of stories behind the tank. The Jones family from California did the R&D work on the YZ. And they sent it back to Japan with the strap on there, and the Japanese thought that's what they wanted, so that's what they put on it. And the rest is history. Silver handlebars. They figured out that those were causing reflection, so they went black in later years. Here's the front wheel. Again, drum brakes. This baby's been fully restored. Notice the black carburetor, that's stock. That's how they were. Lightweight bike, but when you don't have much suspension and everything's kind of skinny, it doesn't add up to much weight. But for its day, it was cool. I think it's still a cool looking bike. Here's what it looks like lowered down to the ground a little bit. Oh, notice the space between the tank and the seat. No safety seats on those days. Metal bracket on the fender back there. Notice the rear sprocket is curved in. Very cool tank. Again, here's your handlebars. It's a low rider. It's no long travel suspension, that's for sure. But it's cool. Thanks for watching.